I'm Greg Jennings, wide receiver for the Green Bay Packers, and you're watching JR Sports Brief.
So look, folks, it's Fan Friday. It's all about you all in your comments. I got a little bit of a peanut gallery behind me playing basketball while I talk about the NFL. Hold on one second. Do you care about the NFL?
Yeah, man.
What's your favorite team?
The Giants.
This guy likes the Giants. Are you a winner?
Yeah, of course.
This guy likes the Giants, so he's a winner. But it's Fan Friday. I'm not wasting any time. The first thing that we're going to get into are the officials. By now, you probably know that the NFL has replacement officials. They got these guys from college, your local library. One of your dads may actually be officiating an NFL game right now. And this is what my main man, USC Zach, on Twitter has to say. Do I think the officiating lockout will have a devastating impact if not resolved soon? Look, man, it's only going to take 1 week before one of these bum officials decides to go out there and blow a major call that decides the end of a game. I mean, look at it this way. Regular NFL officials mess up. They blow calls all the time. How do you think it's going to be when you put a guy who refereed a high school game, who reffed a college game out there on an NFL stage? I mean, parents aren't going to be the only ones that hate you. This time you actually have to deal with whole cities and full teams. That's why I think they're negotiating right now. Let's just put the real NFL officials out there right now. Let's see Ed Hockley describe a call. He's going to take forever while he does it. Moving on to the next question from Fan Friday, comes in from Caleb McDevitt. Is Brady better than Montana? His owner, Robert Kraft, thinks so. Tom Brady's not better than Joe Montana?
Oh, yes, he is.
Says the guy who's younger than me. Listen, man, I was young when Joe Montana was playing. How do you know? Come over here, man. Come tell him. This guy made the same damn point that I was getting ready to make. Come over here. This guy's bowling on the side. Come here. Tell him why you can't compare Joe Montana and Tom Brady. Tell him.
Tell him. Because with Tom Brady, he won three Super Bowls, right? In a row?
He's five. I think he's 3 and 2. Yes.
Yeah, but the last two he lost to a guy named Eli Manning.
Eli Manning killed him. Yes. And the guy Joe Montana, his hand, as the people can see right there, his hand is glistening. You said it all right there. So listen, Robert Kraft, he has to say what he wants to say. That's his own player. Of course, he's gonna try to build Tom Brady up, but at the end of the day, let's judge Tom Brady at the end of his career. Tell the people who you are. Come back here.
My name's Malik.
All right, last question for Fan Friday. Now that Malik is out of here, it comes in from Wake Up It's Football. Make sure you check out Wake Up It's Football. He's all over the internet. He's a good football dude. Which week 1 game are you trying to see? My main man right here, he's a New York Giants fan. Come in here, Giants fan. Giants fan, right?
Yeah.
I'm a Jets fan.
All right. Me too. What's up?
What I gotta tell, the guy just asked me what I'm looking forward to seeing. And it's gonna have to be the Jets and the Bills, because at the end of the day, although I'm a Jets fan, I think them boys are gonna be a train wreck, man.
Nah, the Giants is on the money this year.
Yeah, the Giants.
We the winning team.
The Giants are gonna be good. The Jets, not so much. I just want to see how bad the train wreck is going to be. Hopefully my New York Jets get 10 wins. I think it may be closer to like 6 or 8.
You're right, maybe.
But this guy's a Giants fan, so you got the Victor Cruz salsa going on here.
Straight Giants,
and
man.
we're in the Boogie Down. Tell them we're in the Boogie Down.
We're in the Boogie Down Bronx. It's Co-op City.
And this is Fan Friday.
It's Fan Friday, man.
And I'm home, and I'm going to let these guys do what the hell they do. Hit me up on Twitter. Go find me on Facebook. It's JR. You're checking out the Sport Brief. Teach these young cats how to ball. I'll see y'all later.